Hey guys, it's Niles. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my hair routine for light and fluffy curls. First, I wash my hair, which I didn't film, but I used Amika's Nice Cream Cleansing Conditioner and deep conditioned with the Cure Intense Repair Mask. I used a towel to pat dry my hair before going in with Apogee's 2-step protein treatment. I gave it a good shake and applied it to my hair, making sure to saturate my curls. And then I used my Instagram ad brush to distribute the product evenly. Next, I blow dried my hair on low heat. The product gets hard to the touch, but it's important not to disturb the hair too much during this part, so I use an attachment to quickly get to my roots. Next, I rinsed out the excess protein in the shower. I conditioned with Melanin's multi-use conditioner. I let that sit in my hair while I finished showering and applied some more at the end to use as a leave-in conditioner. By the time I got dressed, my hair was already mostly dry, so I parted the bottom and tied up the rest of my hair. For the next step, I used Melanin's Twist Elongating Style Cream, Mio's Brazilian Curl Mousse, and you can use your oil of choice. I use organic jojoba oil. Process goes like this. First, I use a spray bottle to wet a section of my hair detangled with the Instagram ad brush. Then I applied the style cream. Next, I used the mousse, and then I used oil. I braided this section and used a foam roller to wrap the braid around, and I used a plastic attachment to secure it into place. So basically I just repeat this throughout my entire head. I just parted out a section and clipped and tied away the excess hair so it wouldn't get in the way, and I did the same steps over and over. First the cream, then the mousse, then the oil, braid it up, wrap it around the foam roller. Your sections don't have to be perfect, but I tried to keep them roughly the same size. Except for the front, I like to make them a little bit bigger just so I can have bigger curls in the front of my head. To keep my hair moisturized, I like to use enough product that my braids look like this. And you can leave this in overnight or wait until 2 days later if you're lazy like me. For the final step, you're going to want your oil handy. I use a blend of oils here. First, I removed the rolls and I saturated my fingers with the oil before taking down the braid. You always want to have oil on your hands when you touch your hair. Next, I scrunched and fluffed my hair with oiled fingers and separated the strands until I reached my desired volume. So here's my hair 2 days later. There's much more volume now. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like to see more hair videos, and make sure to subscribe because I post videos every Friday. Thanks for watching. Bye.